Well, it's just a short video on the update on the chimney. Now all fitted in. There's the damper in the line, and I've made a new chimney all the way up here in 4-inch box section. So what I did, went through the wall up here, and there we are coming out, and there's a new cowl on the top, and so that's what we did. We just go around here, so I'll come back and show you the new cowl. Right, it looks similar to the one that was there before, running nice, and that was made out of a bit of the old washing machine. So what I did is, this is the old chimney, and that is rotten, and this is the old washing machine casing which I made from the new cowl. What you have to do is I flattened that bit out and then rolled it into a little tube, and as you can see it is up there looking nice, and it's moving around in the wind perfectly. Excuse the camera jumping about a bit, but that's the way it goes. This is Dave signing off. Don't forget the bits at the bottom. Thumbs up, thumbs down, or subscribe if you want to see any more updates. We'll catch you on the flip side. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.